Hello everyone, this is Let Me See Your Transcript, your very favorite history teacher, here with another how-to video. This is to help you go to the Miami-Dade County Clerk of the Courts website and to look for yourself the updated charges for Brother Polight, aka Michael Nowak Jr. He originally, in my second updated video, I showed you that he had 3 charges up from the first charge that he had. And now, as of today, when he went to court, he now has a total of 7. So let's go ahead and look it up. His name is Michael. Excuse me. Nowak, or Nowak. Race, black. Sex, male. Click on I'm Not a Robot. Click search. Okay, so right now here we are seeing Michael Nowak Jr., his birthday. We see the defendant list. Let's click on the I for more information. Okay, we also get his file date. I believe his original file date was for a few days ago, but I guess because of these new charges, which, as you can see, it says LNL, which is loud. I think it's loud and luscious molestation of a child between 12 and 16 years old. Okay, I believe the previous one was just sexual indecency. Okay, so that is the state case number. His judge, Atfield defense attorney, Adam Rosen. And it says the defendant in jail, I guess it says N for no, and defendant was released to CHIUZ/AMC. I'm not sure what those words mean. Released to CHGI. I'll have to do some double checking on that. It says a surety bond issued 8/16, so I guess he was able to maybe the defendant released to, maybe that is a family member. Okay, so let's click on some of these plus signs. Okay, so he said he had his previous hearing, well, I guess it was today, September the 15th at 9 a.m. Okay, and then so let's look at, before we look at the charges, let's look at the dockets, because that tells you step by step everything that they did in the case. So here on the 17th, when he was initially charged, his arraignment was for September the 15th. Intake unit, sexual battery, child abuse. Okay, then it was a demand for discovery, motion to dismiss. He had a bond then, information filed, motion to stay away filed. That means the parent or the guardian petitioned for him to stay away from the victim. Okay. There was also, okay, that was actually, I'm sorry, let me back up a little bit. On the 14th, the information was filed. Okay, on the 15th, which was today, okay, it said motion to stay away order was filed, set for September 17th at 10:30. So this Friday, the judge will talk about whether or not, yes, you need to stay away from, I guess, the victim or not. There's also a motion to increase the bond set for that same day as well. And because, as you know, Brother Polight has been on YouTube and on Instagram during Rolls Royce Chronicles. So obviously he can pay probably more than $1,000, or at least it appears to be so. Also, there's another motion for continuance filed September the 15th. And it said it was granted for the defense, I guess it was. And so they have said that the next status of the case is set for December 3rd, 2021 at 9 a.m. So I want to say, I might need to ask Empowered Impressive Esquire TV or the lead attorney if the case that is supposed to be set for December the 3rd, is that different from the motion to increase bond and the motion for a stay order? Is that two different hearings? Okay, because it looks like this Friday he's going back for these two motions the judge will make a decision on. And actually it was 3 motions for today and one was set. Okay, so I might have to get with those two to ask them a little bit more information. But I definitely wanted you to see it for yourself, because a lot of times it's just the teacher in me. I want to show you how to go look it up for yourself and not just take what we say as YouTubers or even as experts for granted. Like, hey, did you see this information yourself? Okay, so let's go look at the charges. So, okay. All right. So I want to say the one down here that says, the second to the from the bottom that says engage CHFASCX 4 out of 14, that was the original charge. Okay, and then it was updated to 3 charges, 2 felonies and 1 misdemeanor. So it was the 3 at the bottom were the original charges. Then 5 more charges were added now, which again, 4 of them are felonies. 4 more were added. They were felonies. L&L, molestation of a child. I think that's lewd and lascivious molestation. So that was twice. And I think I remember seeing one of them, either Empowered Esquire or the lead attorney, say when it's like on here twice, that means like the number of counts that they did it. So I gotta double check. But right now we can see on here, okay, we got L&L molestation on here twice, plus L&L conduct with a child less than 16, that's a felony. And then it says L&L exhibition with a child between 16 and 18 years old. So, okay. And see, now I'm trying to figure out, is this all the same person or are these different people? Because the young lady that was the victim, she's 14. So this number 4 that says L&L exhibition. Okay, I'm really gonna have to get some legal help on this one right here, because I'm confused. And then 5 was contributing to the delinquency of a minor, misdemeanor, because allegedly he gave her drugs to engage in this sex act. Okay, and he also found out what the no action means on those other 2. So right now, he has a total of 6 felonies and 1 misdemeanor. Okay. And I know previously there were a few people still supporting him. And right now, I don't know. Yes, you are innocent until proven guilty. But it seems like every time he goes in for one thing, he gets more charges. So we'll definitely have to see what happens, what they will say for this Friday. So if you have any other questions about this case, or you have any other information about this case yourself, please let me know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe so that we can get more people who are informed about this particular case. So this is Let Me See Your Transcript, your very favorite history teacher, with another how-to video, how to look up Michael Noack Jr.'s updated charges because of his hearing today. Okay, talk to y'all later. Bye.